Hello, good morning. Welcome to my bathroom. Today is, hello from Marie from the Aristocats. It is early, sorry. Normally I would know that like this, but it's early in the morning. Drinking coffee in my bathroom. My mom got me this cup from Disney World, love it. Today I just wanted to do like a simple skincare video, nothing like aesthetic, just showing you really what I'm doing, especially now since we're going into fall, which I don't know where you live, but where I live, it gets cooler, there's more of a breeze, more wind, so you don't have to, but I certainly change up my skincare a little bit just to make sure my skin stays up to date and stays prepared for the weather, doesn't start getting crackly and dry and all that stuff. So I've already washed my face. I have been using the Space Wash from Starface. This brand actually reached out to me and sent me this product. They sent me a few more. It's I have to be really careful when brands, not when they reach out, but you know, like this company is pretty much based around people who have acne. So I have to make sure that their products aren't too strong on my skin. And this Space Wash is so perfect for the everyday wash. They're not telling me to say this, I promise. This Space Wash, it's a foaming facial cleanser. I literally put it on, sorry y'all, I am not together this morning. I put it on a little face scrubber like this. I've been using these for years. I literally found it at TJ Maxx. It is strong enough to scrub, get the dirt off, create a foam, but gentle enough to where it's not stretching your skin or, you know, it's the perfect little scrubber. And this face wash, once again, strong enough to clean the dirt, but not strip your skin. It's a great daily cleanser. So I have already washed my face. Then, if I have time, what I like to do is take a rag. I just use this one and I'll put it under really hot water, like steaming. And then I'll rinse it out and put it on my face just to keep my pores open, to go ahead and open up my pores as large as they can go. I know this might not be the best for you and I'll probably regret saying this, just 'cause, I don't know. But you can also put your wet rag in the microwave and get it really steaming, piping hot. Literally like 30 seconds is all it'll take. And put it on your face, go ahead and open up your pores. Once your pores are open, little skincare tip, if you will. Once your pores are open, you've got 45 seconds to a minute before they close back. So just keep that in mind. I already took my bloat banish for the morning from Teami. Love this stuff. It says take 2 at night, but I've been taking it in the morning. This is really just like a hang out with me video in my bathroom. Whatevs. Anyways, with the Starface, they also sent me this hydrating face cream. Great product. And then these are little acne patches. So cute. They're stars. Look at that. How cute are those? Love a good acne patch. Okay, first things first. Well, actually, we've already done the first part. Face is washed. Skin, I hate to say this, is stripped. It's feeling like not too tight, because if it's feeling too tight, don't use that face wash, but it's feeling stripped. What I'm gonna go in with next is a toner. This is cactus water. It is a cleansing lactic acid toner. It is from the brand Freck, and it looks like this. The bottle's really cool. I don't keep mine on my counter. I'm trying to teach myself like to have less out and about, not to have everything look so cluttered. It's actually harder to do than I thought. But it's coming along well. Literally take just a random cotton pad. I think I picked these up at Ulta, but you can get them at the drugstore. This is from Sephora. Your toner, what that's gonna do for you is even out your skin tone. If you have uneven skin, an uneven skin tone, then you should definitely try a toner. They have them at the drugstore. One from the drugstore that I really like is the Thayer's Witch Hazel Aloe Vera formula, and it is in the cucumber scent, and it's an alcohol-free toner, so this is a really good one too. Less expensive option. Okay, so I go in with a cotton pad and gently swipe. If I wasn't in front of the camera, I'd be doing this so much quicker. Like I would have done it as soon as I took the hot rag off of my face. Just to make sure like my pores were still open. And then the neck. I always get this area. Always. Because when I look at other people, I don't know, I guess people my age, when I'm looking, you can, like, this ages too. So like you can have perfect skin on your face, but did you forget all this? It's a little saggy. I don't judge like that, but I'm sure to get this lathered up really, really nice. Now, also another skincare tip. When you're doing your skincare, you want to start from the lightest or the thinnest formula, so the wateriest, which is the toner, and then you want to work your way up to the thickest. That's how skincare works. It is important for you to put everything in the correct order for everything to work correctly. Okay, so what's next? I'm gonna go in with a little bit of facial oil. Not too much, because if I decide to put on any kind of makeup, if you overdo your oils, your foundation is gonna have a really hard time. So I am gonna go in with the CEO Glow from Sunday Riley. This product is absolutely stunning. I'm obsessed. This is bottle number 2. Such a good product, worth the money. And then I'm going to go in with the Wishful Thirst Trap Juice. If you've tried, this is a face mask, as well as this bottle right here, which is the juice that's left over in the face mask. If that makes any sense. You know when you get a face mask and you put it on and then there's all that juice? That's what this is. And this juice is so good. So like this was a very smart move to make this, just put it in a bottle. Way to go, Huda. I'm going in with the CEO Glow. It has the vitamin C, turmeric, and lots of other good ingredients, but I'm definitely going in lightly. It's just a slight glow, because like I said, I'm not going to put on too much, so that I still can put on makeup without having to wash all these products off. That would be money down the drain, literally. Let's not do that, okay? And just once again to remind you, this is like my leisurely get ready with me, not get ready with me, skincare morning routine. So this isn't like if you're in a hurry and you got 5 minutes to get to work. No ma'am. Now we'll go in with the Thirst Trap, same type of dropper situation. Ew. Of course now it doesn't make the sound. Whatever. Thirst Trap, this isn't as thick as the CEO Glow. And plus, who doesn't want to put that on their face? CEO Glow? Yes, please. Skin's already looking so good and plump. Yes, this gets me so excited. I know, like, girl, Holly, calm down. But I'm telling you, my skincare, I can't. Gets me hyped every time. I'm in the bathroom, like, every time. For lip gloss, I just realized I did not throw any on. Normally that would be the first thing I did. Let me go get the kind that I put on in the morning. Yes, I put on one at night and a different one in the morning. I'm back. Did you miss me? So for the lips, I'm gonna go in with this from Smith's. It was one of those things that I picked up as I was waiting in line at Sephora. They got me. But it's the Smith's Menthol and Eucalyptus Balm. And it just feels so good, and it smells like the Carmex smell. I think I've talked about this before. Like when you smell Carmex and you just know this is gonna work because of the smell. That's this stuff. Delish. It smells so good. Okay, let's hurry up, because right now I've just been piddle-footing along let's go in with some glow recipe. This is a hyaluronic acid serum. It's the plump serum. I don't go in with too much of this, maybe that much, because it can dry down and I don't want it to crust over. So I go in with a little bit of this, and I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Strawberry Smooth from Glow Recipe, and this is the salicylic serum, which has BHA and AHA in it. If you have just exfoliated your face, don't use anything with, what is it? I'm trying to remember if it's both or either or, but I'm pretty sure it's both. BHA and AHA, because it will burn like a mofo. Whoo! Ask me how I know. But I did not scrub my face. This smells good too. I've got some unwanted guests, but it's fine. Everything's fine, everything's fine. I'm gonna go back in with this real quick. You'll notice how badly your skin needed a certain nutrient by how quickly it disappears into the skin. Like your skin will drink products for sure. So that's how you know you're hydrated or you're not, or like your skin will definitely tell you. You just have to listen. This next product, this is from Vanity Planet, and literally I just take it, oh, it's nice and cold, and I kind of carve out my cheekbones. Gets the blood flowing. Little bit of lymphatic drainage. There's so many tools that you can use. My go-to company for that, and they, like, I'm not sponsored, I don't have a code for you, sorry, but Vanity Planet has like all these skincare tools you could ever want, ever need, ever wish for. And this one, like, oh no, oh there it goes. Turn it on and it vibrates. I don't know if you can hear that, but yeah, it vibrates. Same thing with this one. I love this one. You twist it and it vibrates. And I feel like you can really get in there and like carve out your face with this. Do some good lymphatic drainage. Yeah, so all of these are from Vanity Planet. I absolutely love them. It feels good. You're doing some lymphatic drainage, and I mean, you're pretty much like, what is it, gua sha-ing or whatever they call that? It's just a different looking tool. I will link these down below for you. Everything will be linked below, but oh, and I have a web page. I need you guys to check it out. I will link that. It'll be the first thing linked down below. I'm still figuring it out. Like this brand, Tree 3, they reached out to me. So nice, so easy to work with them. She's like, the woman I'm working with, she's so sweet, so easy to communicate with. And like, I'm still trying to figure out the ins and outs of everything. But once I get it figured out, ooh, you'll be able to reach products like that. But I'll keep you updated. But click on it down below just to check it out. Like, so you know what I'm talking about. Skin is looking good. Okay, so what am I going to do next? Let's go in with a little bit of eye product. Do I want to do eye patches? No, I don't want to do them today. CeraVe, we're going to go in with the eye repair cream. Just a little bit. I actually like this. It's lightweight. Some eye creams can be thick and goopy, and then you have to tug and pull to what's it called, to rub it in, and we don't want to do that with our eyes. This is the most sensitive skin area on our bodies, is around our eyes. So you don't want to be tugging and pulling. You want to like lightly be able to rub and pat everything in, just like so. So this product works really well, super gentle. Just to brighten things up, this one reduces the look of dark circles and puffiness, helps repair and restore the protective skin barrier. Very important, and it's got ceramides and hyaluronic acid. So CeraVe is a really good company for drugstore priced, good working skincare products. Now, last but not least, we're gonna top it off with some moisturizer. I'm gonna go in with some pretty heavy moisturizer, and when I say heavy, I mean like thick. This is from Bobbi Brown, and this is the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Really good product. It's also pretty expensive, but I would say it's worth the money. A little bit goes a long way. You can see I go in very sparingly because it's so expensive, but I will say like a little goes a long way. I'll literally take the back of my nail. I'm gonna pick up maybe that much. Moving everything up. So smooth. Looks so good. And you probably know this, but since I'm giving out the tips, I'm spilling some skincare tea, you should always move up. Especially when you've like got a hold of your skin, always move that baby up. Up is always better. Some people are just like pulling and tugging at their skin, and I'm like cringing. Now our face is hydrated, and I'm happy because my skin is taken care of. Is anyone else like that? Like, skincare, I need it in my life. If I haven't done it, like, I feel like bad for my skin. Like, detach myself from my skin, and I like feel bad for it. Like, if I haven't gotten to my skincare yet. Does that make sense? I'm like, aw, my skin, you know, like. Okay, Holly, stop. Sure, you got it. No problem. I'm ready to start the day. I'm literally going to do some tidying up. Maybe, since my skin's ready to go, maybe do a little filming. A little more filming. Probably do some ads. I do need to run to Target. Need some laundry detergent. Okay, Holly, that's enough. I don't know. Now I'm just getting carried away. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me on this morning skincare routine. Just me and you hanging out in the bathroom. No aesthetics, kind of all over the place. But the important part is you have learned, hopefully, some stuff about skincare and some really good products that will help you stay hydrated and not dry and chapped throughout the fall months that are pretty much here. So thanks again for watching, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye.